Hey, what's up, man? I'm currently on break from construction, so try to get a bite to eat.
To serve you better, this call may be recorded for training and quality purposes.
Hello?
Trias, this is Melissa. Can I help you?
Hello?
Trias, this is Melissa. Can I help you?
This is who? I'm sorry, I can barely hear you. Marvin?
Melissa?
Oh, Melissa? I'm so sorry, Melissa. I'm on break right now. I'm trying to get some food.
Hold for 1 second. I can't. The connection. Hold on 1 second.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Hello? 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 You there, Melissa? I don't have that much time for break.
Hello?
Hello? I'm sorry.
Hi.
Hello?
No, it's okay. How can I help you?
Is this Melissa?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just don't have that much time for break, and I need to get this food here.
Okay.
Yeah. So my
Hold
name.
on, let me get a piece of paper. Hold on 1 sec.
You
One
do
more
that.
sec.
Yeah, go ahead. You want me to grab some too? Okay. Hello? You got it?
What is your name?
Huh?
What is your name, Marvin?
Yeah.
And what is your telephone number?
My telephone number?
Uh-huh.
610
Okay.
62 5
062.
6. Wait. Excuse me. Hold on. Let me. 610.
062. I can't hear you. You're breaking up.
Hold on. 610 625 4871.
4871.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
What can I get for you?
Do you have any specials regarding lunch or brunch?
So tonight, the steak raviolis on special for $11.95.
It is.
Same with the cheese lasagna, stuffed shells, spinach ravioli. We have spaghetti and crab for $13.95 tonight.
You do?
And the Italian trio, which is a manicotti and cannelloni, and a piece of chicken for $13.99.
Do you have anything like not so messy? Like, cause I work in construction and I can't get dirty. Like, what do you recommend?
We're
Like,
in Italian restaurant. I mean, like, we have, like, pizza and, like,
oh no, I'm allergic to pizza. We can't do that. I'm lactose intolerant, so any dairy. Since I'm lactose intolerant, I became a vegan. So I'm looking for, like, do you have any like salads?
different salads.
You got bacon bits on there?
No, but if you get any of the pasta, it's going to have salami and stuff.
It doesn't come with bacon bits or
No.
like eggs or anything? Okay.
No.
You got the like a chicken Caesar salad or
I
something?
hear you again.
You have like a chicken Caesar salad?
Yeah, we get the chicken Caesar salad.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Sorry, well, okay, let me see here.
Okay, regardless, you're not going to be able to pick it up till 4 o'clock, but that's when we open, so.
No, yeah, I understand.
Okay.
It's fine. Because my break is coming up in 4:30. So, are you going to have time to make it in 30 minutes for me to swing
I
by?
can hear you.
My break is at 4:30. And I just wanted to call ahead of time.
I wanted to have it ready by 4:30.
Okay. Great, man. Okay, what do you like have for like sandwiches?
Hold on 1 sec.
Okay.
Oh, stay with me. Sausage sandwich, we have cheeseburger.
Oh, you got cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let me get one of those. Even though I'm a vegan, I, sometimes go up my range sometimes. I allow myself to get a snack once in a while for, like, a snack referring to.
Okay.
That's why I asked about the dairy. Okay.
How would you like that cooked?
Huh?
How would you like that cooked?
How do I want it cooked?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm sorry, I can barely hear you. What? What'd you say? I'm
How would
sorry.
you like your burger cooked?
Oh, I don't want it cooked. I like it raw. I grew up on a farm, and that we ate things raw. I know it sounds pretty.
It's also with something, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello?
Help you.
Hello, Melissa? Is this Melissa?
Hi, this is Terry.
This is who?
How can I help you?
I'm sorry, what was your name, sir?
My name's Terry, and it's a woman.
Sari?
Terry.
Oh, Terry. With a T. Okay.
Yes. How can I help you?
Like I told Melissa, I'm a vegan, but I like to, I like to give myself just like a little bit of snack sometimes, like referring to meat.
Okay.
Because, I love, meat. And
What do you need, honey?
I wanted to order a burger. We were talking about a burger.
Cheeseburger.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Go ahead.
And I was wondering if you can make it, like, so you don't cook the burger. Because I grew up in a farm.
You want it raw?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cheese on top? I'm sorry. Hello?
I'm sorry. I just had,
You want the cheese on top?
I'm
of it?
sorry, I just had surgery. And, for my lung. I smoke a lot. I work in the construction business. Do I want cheese on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
I can't hear you, sir.
Do you want cheese on it? Do I want cheese on it? Yes, ma'am. I was wondering if you can get,
So you want a raw burger with cheese on it?
yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
Can you have, like, American cheese on it?
Yeah.
Okay. You have Swiss? Wondering.
No, we cannot.
Okay, just, can you, tell me all the different cheeses that you have? Because,
We have American and provolone. That's it.
what's provolone?
Provolone is Italian.
Oh, it's Italian? Italiani? Okay. I'll get the provolone.
Okay. You want one with American or one with cheese? So you gotta tell me, do you want a cheeseburger with American or provolone?
I want an American cheeseburger that's raw,
Got it.
right?
Got it.
With cheese.
American cheese.
Yes, ma'am.
And then the other one, you want another one also?
Let's go in there and you got like
Excuse me?
can I make another order? Like another?
Go ahead.
Okay, I want some salad.
Okay.
You got any bacon bits on that?
Okay.
You got that?
What kind of salad, sir?
Huh? I'm sorry, excuse me. What kind of salad? Did you say?
Yes. Yeah.
What do you have? I'm sorry, I just like a specific kind. I was just wondering if you had it.
Can you hold on, please?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes. Have a nice day. That's how a worker likes to get it done. Have a nice day.